The magic wand is a very powerful tool within ArchiCAD, and it will save you a great amount of time. Let's consider that we have the contour of a building and want to draw it in 3D. These are currently just lines. First, I pick a wall from my favorites palette. Then I activate the magic wand by pressing the space bar on my keyboard, then clicking my mouse. And as soon as I click, the external wall of the building is generated. Let's draw the slab. I will do this in 3D. I am using a slab on grade. I press the space bar, click, and the slab is generated. How about curves? Let's try to do a swimming pool with the help of the magic wand. I will start by generating the slab with a single click with the magic wand, and then the pool walls with another single click. The 3D got generated while I was drawing my plan. And here is our pool filled in water. And here it is with a surrounding site. The magic wand is an awesome tool that's so easy to utilize.